Welcome to How to Assign a KPI. Within Recruitly, setting and reviewing your KPIs is super easy, and here I'm going to show you how. To start with, we click on our little picture or icon. Now we jump into our KPI manager, and from here we can create our KPI. We select who we want to assign this KPI to, the year and the month. Once you've done this, you will see a whole host of different activities appear. You can go through and adjust all of the targets or assign no target. As you scroll down, you'll also be able to see customized targets that you can create within the back end of the system yourself. Once you have set your KPI, and if you have the same KPIs month on month, you can simply clone your KPIs, assign additional users, and select which month you wish for them to go to. So that's how you assign your KPIs. And should you have any further queries, please don't hesitate to reach out to us via email, message, or visit us at recruitly.io/support. Thank you for watching.